What's up, my fellow citizens of YouTube? Citizen Cav here, and today I'm going to give you 5 simple steps on gaining your first couple hundred subscribers. Cue that special music. Okay, so as you guys heard, the intro music is a little different than normal, and that's because I just hit 250 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. That couldn't have been possible without you, my subscribers. Thank you for all of the video watching, for all the uplifting comments, hitting that thumbs up button, which if you haven't hit the thumbs up button by now, go ahead and smash it out right now. This way you don't forget, but if you forget, I'll remind you later. In celebration of 250 subscribers, I'm actually gonna be giving out a $25 Amazon e-gift card. Basically, all you need is to be a subscriber of mine and to comment on this video by, I guess, 2 Sundays from now. I'll be doing the drawing 2 Sundays from now, but I'll be posting the winner on the following Sunday. So 3 weeks away, and I'll be saying who the winner is of the $25 gift card. So anyways, enough about that. You guys are here to learn how to get your first couple hundred subscribers. All right, so step 1. And like I said before, these are simple, easy things to get your first couple hundred subscribers. And if you do a little bit better than what I did, you'll get them extremely fast. So step 1, make videos. I know that seems super obvious, but there's so many people who kind of just want to try to get subscribers pre-making videos, and that doesn't really make sense if you think about it. You need to give people a reason to come back and to subscribe to your channel. Make content, even if it's funny. It doesn't necessarily have to be educational, but if it's funny content or something that brightens someone's day or makes them feel like it has value or adds value to their life, they're going to subscribe. But you need to make videos that kind of gives them that value. So step 1, as easy as it is, make videos. Step 2, tell someone that you're actually making videos, that you created a YouTube channel. I know it's really daunting to kind of tell people pre-being established, pre-actually having like a following, that you're doing something, because you don't want to look like you failed. But actually, there's probably nothing better than to get out there and tell people at the beginning. This way you start to build that momentum super quick. It also gives you a boost of confidence seeing that subscriber count, even if it is like your best friends. Step 3, and this is the one that I'm actually, I would say, pretty terrible about. I need to get a lot better, but that's actually being consistent. Producing consistent content gives your subscribers something to kind of hold on to. So honestly, like if you are telling them that you're going to produce 2 videos a week, then you need to produce 2 videos a week. Come up with a schedule that works best. Even I'm still kind of trying to figure out what days are the best days to produce my content or make it public, or at least maybe even when to release it on that particular day. I typically upload on Sundays and Wednesdays, just in case you didn't know that. But you need to be consistent. Being consistent lets them know when they can expect something from you, and then whenever you ask them to hit the like button, it's kind of like, you know, give and take. You are giving them content, and while you give them content, you ask them to just like your video. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video. Number 4, engage with other content creators. It could be large YouTube channels, medium YouTube channels, or a very small, they have under 10 subs. Engage with other content creators, because you might be able to learn something or even see something that they do and kind of like grow from it. Or you can possibly feature each other on each other's channels. I haven't done that piece just yet. I know there's a couple people that I want to work with like Kicking It with Q or NTC 7000. There's a couple of people that I want to create videos with, and we've kind of like talked about it. I just haven't pulled the trigger yet. But engage with other content creators, because they can really help your channel grow exponentially if their subscribers somehow, some way end up migrating over to your channel. Now, I will say, it's better to kind of engage with people who are within your niche. It's better because their followers are already looking for that type of content. So if you make the same content as them, then you'll have a different personality, a different take on it, but they're more likely to subscribe to you too, because they already like consuming that type of content. I like watching like gaming things, educational things. Like I love pretty much everything almost. I kind of engage with a lot of different people, but that's not good whenever my stuff is kind of more how to or life improvement or sometimes travel. So it's not really gaming related at all. So if I was to try to interact with a gaming channel's subscriber base, I'm most likely not really going to retain those people because I'm not producing the kind of content that they prefer to watch. Step 5, honestly, just evolve those previous 4 steps. You can evolve telling people by moving from just word of mouth, but actually putting things on social media. So updating Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, things like that to get more word out. You can evolve your videos by just making better videos, honestly. Consistency, that's a super simple thing. You just upload more. I wouldn't say stretching yourself too thin, because by doing that, then your quality may actually start to sink, or you may create an unreasonable expectation by your subscribers. They may start to think that you're gonna upload every 2 days, and really you only have the capacity to do that for maybe a month, and then you have to scale it back to like a week or 2. And then when it comes to engaging with others, you just, start to reach out to more people. If you were initially just kind of silent and you would like a post or like a video, but you wouldn't put anything in the comments, start challenging yourself to actually comment on people's videos. Make sure that they're good comments and not just fluffy ones like, nice video, bro. But actually meaningful comments that lets them know that you actually watched their video and not just the first 10 seconds of the video. So what do you guys think? Many of you who are watching this are content creators yourselves. What else do you think would be beneficial to the community? Put that down in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the channel, welcome to the citizenship. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, guys, don't forget to do good, be good, and feel good. I'll catch you later.